they'll be calling me, calling me. They'll be calling me royalty.
Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel, where today we have something pretty nice from Hot Wheels. We have this Count Muscula. Unfortunately, this will not be an unboxing because I don't have the packaging yet. Still, I don't have it. Unfortunately, I've gotten it out of it some time ago, and this will be a from the toy cabinet, not new. But I really wanted to talk about this thing. Let's get it closer a bit to the camera. This is one of my favorite Hot Wheels, and trust me, I have a few because of its design. It's really awesome. When I first saw it, a bit about it before we get into it. When I first saw it, I thought it was a combination between a muscle car and an European design because of the long bonnet and the styling overall. But after I got it out of the package and looked at it more closely, this is an European design trend. For example, more than likely this is a front-end engined car, if it were real, of course. Yeah, forgot to say something about it. This is a Hot Wheels original car, so to speak. This doesn't have a correspondent in the real world. Yeah, so this is a Hot Wheels original. As you can see, the design team spent quite a lot of time on it. The name maybe got that confusion. It's called Count Muscula. As you can imagine, you automatically think of muscle car. Yeah, and it's really nice. But let's get over onto the details of this thing, because there are a few. For example, let's get at the back. The wing is massive for this thing. Originally, I thought it was from the Spoiler Alert series. I will tell you what I mean when we get to some of those models. But yeah, the wing is really massive on as a scale to it. Here we can see the exhaust. Like I said, very European. Many modern supercars have this thing, these high mounted exhausts. Yeah, the back end for some drag, if it were real. The Hot Wheels logo, the flames. These are really interesting. I'm not really sure if the camera, yeah, here we go. Yeah, you can see that. Okay, the flames on the bonnet. Going forward, we have this cutout in the back. The interior again is very detailed. I don't know if I can shed a further light on it. Let's see. Yeah, very detailed, and I'm starting to get fond of these things from Hot Wheels, because of the work you have to go through to create an interior where you cannot simply look into. You cannot open doors. You'll need to pry it open to remove these things and then look at the interior. And it's not worth the trouble of destroying the thing if you don't know how to remove these points. But of course, we don't want to do that. Yeah, let's get forward with it. Yeah, the stripes, the racing stripes. These cutouts in the bonnet, like I said. And the front is really interesting. So this spoiler is for channeling air, of course. I don't really know what this thing is or what's its purpose. And the lights. These are fairly interesting because because it is an original, it doesn't need to have the painted lights. If I remember correctly on the card, these things were white. But again, because I don't have it anymore, we can't really look at it. So yeah, this thing is really, really beautiful. If it were a real card, this would be more of a stunner, show card than a racer. Although I am fairly certain this would kill on the track with this massive wing, the low sitting position, the overall shape, the aerodynamicity of it. It's quite nice. But as always, I have two gripes with it. For one, these chrome bits. I'm not really sure about these. If they were black, like this front splitter, they might look a bit better. But again, it's a nitpick. It's everyone's opinion on it, of course. So you don't have to take my word for it. It's only my opinion. And the wheels. These feel highly disproportionate. I mean, what might be the difference? 30%? 30%? Maybe less. Not really sure. Yeah, this is a gripe that I have. I don't really like this discrepancy. If you remember the McLaren Senna video we did some time ago, you know that uh, that model had the wheels equal. This one, not so much. And again, it's a gripe, a small gripe, and they keep doing it. I have several other models with this, and those are real life models, so real life cars for it. Yeah, but outside that, I am really fond of this thing because it's this color is really flashy and nice with these flames. Like I said, it's a stunner, not a racer, and I really like it. Yeah, but I would love to know your opinion on it. Leave a comment if you like it or not. What do you think of it? As always, I will try and find it on Amazon and place the link below. The song will also be in the description below for the upcoming clip, and the links for other social media. Well, that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next time.